Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, are you ready for your class?
Yes.
Okay, so can you see the computer screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, recite A'udhu Billahi and Bismillah so that we can start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, read the dua. Rabbi yassir
ربي يسر
wa la tu'assir
ولا تعسر
wa tammim alayna
وتمم علينا
bil khair.
بالخير.
Okay, so Bashir, today we are starting lesson number 22 and it is about the exercise of Hamza. That is very easy lesson because we just need to remember one thing and then you can read the whole lesson by yourself. And that thing is that whenever you have a Sukoon sign on the top of Alif or Hamza, so then we will jerk the previous letter. Jerk means that we need to read the previous letter within a half second, like a half uh, time we have to stretch that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let me read the first word. Here we have the ya with fatha and then we have hamza with sukun. So when we read ya with fatha, so we just slide to it. For example, ya tikum, ya tikum. Got it?
Not really.
Okay, let's go for the next example and try to read
ومورا
wa. See, Alif has sukun, so we check the previous letter wa. Read within a half second. Within a half second, so it will automatically become chirking sound. For example, wa.
wa
Yes, wa. More. Read again.
wa or
Yes. Now next.
da ha
Sorry,
da dai
not tai. See, the second da has kasra.
di
Hmm. Then,
uh, ra
sorry.
ha
Yes, ta. Ti.
da di ha.
Him. Ha. So the second last letter is ha with kasra, right?
Yeah. He.
Okay, one more mistake you did here, and that is the after second ta. See, after the second ta, we have ya with sukun, right?
Yeah.
So, do you remember that whenever ya has sukun sign and the previous letter comes with kasra, so then we call it ya madda and then we stretch it for 2 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so the first ta we read within a half second, but the second ta we stretch for 2 seconds. So it will be ta ti him.
That gave him.
Yes, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so go to the next word.
Ma wa who
Who? It's not who. Connect with meme. See the last letter.
whom
Hum.
whom
Home. Yes. Read again.
ma whom
Ma wa.
ma wa whom
Yes. See the wow has alif madda. So that's why we are stretching it. Ma wa hum.
ma wa whom
Hmm. Next. Come on, read.
ga san
Very good. Read again.
ga san
Excellent. Next.
ya ba
Very good. Next.
not the
Next.
Karata.
Very good. See, cough is one of the bold letter, right? So make it heavy and a strong voice. Qaw, qaw, qara, ta.
Korata.
Very good. Now go to the next.
Pa. Sin.
Next.
Makulin.
Hmm. Very good. Next.
Uwa.
Why are you reading wow? Is there any sign on wow?
No, no.
No. So what we say when the letter has no sign on it?
Nothing.
Yeah, we call that letter is empty letter, and then we just skip that letter.
Okay.
Okay, do it.
Ula. Kika.
Very good. Next.
How. O.
Stretch it. Ha has mud sign on it.
How. Ka. E.
Ha ula. It's lam. Ha ula.
Ha. Ula. E. Pa.
Fun. Connect with noon.
Fan.
Don't stretch. Fun.
Fun.
Hmm. And then
Sa.
swab. Fun swab.
Fan. Sada.
Swab. It's bar in the end.
Fan. Saba.
Hmm. Next.
Wa. Ha.
Next.
An.
Why are you connecting?
Huh?
Why are you connecting alif with noon and
Isn't that Alif Madda?
alif madda means you are connecting or you have to stretch?
You have to stretch.
Stretch. So I was asking that why you were connecting alif with noon. You connected and so I asked you why you did that.
I didn't connect. I said I,
Hmm.
and then I said noon. It's Alif Madda.
Uh, okay, read again.
An.
No, 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 no. Read again.
A. N.
No, noon has fatha as well.
A. Na.
Yes, it's ana. Now, actually, this is Alif Madda. You were right, but this is the special word. There are some special words where we skipped Madda letter. Okay, so this is one of those letters. Inshallah Taala, I will tell you another as well. But for now, just keep in mind that this word is a special word, and for this word, we don't add the Madda letter. Like we don't consider this Alif as a Madda letter. We just read Ana. We read Noon with Fatha. That's it. We read Ana. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, go to the next.